Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher channel. Welcome to Teacher's English class. Today we are going to see a short tutorial on the SPM Cefr speaking paper, how to answer part 3 discussion. As you can see on the blackboard, this is how part 3 is carried out, done in pairs, done in 2 stages. Stage 1, answer discussion question. Stage 2, answer extended question. For further details, we will look in the next slide. Stage 1, the discussion question has 2 tasks. Task 1 is a WH question will be given together with 6 points. So candidate A and B need to discuss all the 6 points. Then task 2, same WH question will be given with a stamp, which is the most popular or important. So A and B need to discuss and make a decision. How to answer stage 2, focusing on extended question, as in more general topic relating to the same discussion question topic. So candidate A and candidate B will share their opinions. First candidate A will share the opinion, then followed by candidate B. Both will get the same extended question. As you can see on the blackboard, these are the 5 tips on how to speak for stage 1 and stage 2. Hope you can follow. These are the 3 language input that you need. This is the time allocation, overall 4 to 5 minutes. So discussion got 2 tasks. So task 1, 1 minute for both candidate. Task 2 is 1 minute each for each candidate. An extended question, task 1, 1 minute each for each candidate. That is all for today's lesson. We'll see students in the next lesson. Please do subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher channel so that you can always get updated with our latest tutorial video. Thank you.